A week after the Election Commission announced the schedule for the Haryana Assembly polls, the BJP has written to the poll body seeking postponement of the polls that are slated for October 1st, citing holidays. Listen in.
कहीं ऐसा न हो कि वोटिंग कम हो जाए, परंतु मैं सभी से अपील करना चाहूँगा और चुनाव आयोग से जो हमारे माननीय अध्यक्ष जी ने लेटर लिखा है, उन्होंने चिंता जाहिर की है कि इस डेट को अगर कुछ आगे पीछे कर लें सभी दलों से बात करके, ताकि वोट परसेंटेज ज़्यादा बढ़े और वोट परसेंट ज़्यादा हो लोकतंत्र के हित के अंदर, वो ठीक है। परंतु उसको लेकर के माननीय हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी ने लेटर लिखा है चुनाव आयोग को।
Now, while the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party have criticized the BJP, accusing it of panicking in anticipation of defeat, the Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda asserted that the BJP's request for a delay indicates it has already conceded defeat. In a post on social media, the Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia said that if the BJP had in fact worked in the state, it would not have been seeking postponement of polls. This time, the BJP's defeat is certain, he says. Listen in.
जब डिक्लेयर किया उसका एक हफ्ते से ज़्यादा हो गया डिक्लेयर करने के लिए ये बात थी। इसका मतलब वो चुनाव को टालना चाहते हैं और अपने हार मान चुके हैं। चुनाव समय पर जो है हमने धन्यवाद किया था उनका चुनाव आयोग का, क्योंकि लोग एक दिन भी सरकार को नहीं रखना चाहते। ये क्यों टालना चाहते हैं, समझ से बाहर है हमारे चुनाव समय पर होने चाहिए।
देखिए, कई बार ऐसा तो हुआ है कि बीच में कोई बड़ा त्यौहार आ गया, चाहे वो हिंदू धर्म का कोई त्यौहार हो या क्रिश्चियंस का हो, मुस्लिम्स का हो, वहाँ तो इस तरह का हुआ कि 1 या 2 दिन चुनाव उस तारीख के बाद कराए गए हों। लेकिन ये कि लंबा छुट्टी का समय है, तो ये तो कोई दलील नहीं। उस भारतीय जनता की पार्टी का कार्यक्रम जैसे भी रहे हैं, उससे समाज जोड़ने की बजाय समाज कमजोर करने की जो दिशा में जो बातें हुई हैं, उससे हरियाणा के लोगों में नाराजगी है।
My colleague Amandeep is joining us over the phone line with the details. Amandeep, interesting war of words ahead of the elections. While the BJP sought a delay, the other parties have all come in to claim that the BJP has conceded defeat.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. The point is that BJP has written a letter to Election Commission seeking that the election date should be postponed and go beyond 3rd of October, just because there was a long weekend coming ahead in the middle of the elections and people might not remain at their homes. They might go to outstations for the holiday, and that will impact on the voting percentage. It's not only BJP, Pratibha. INLD, Abhay Chautala has also written the letter on the similar lines, seeking the postpone of the elections and shift the dates and drag the dates to beyond 3rd of October. But Congress got this opportunity to attack BJP. They started running the campaign that BJP has already surrendered, and people wanting to change the BJP and wanted to throw out of the power, and in fact BJP desperately and surprisingly writing these kind of letters just to delay the elections. Otherwise they have surrendered. So the war of words has started. If BJP has written a letter, Congress got an opportunity to attack, just because Congress is continuously campaigning against BJP that now the people have fed up. In last 10 years no development has been taken place, and now the people have decided that this time the change of power will take place in Haryana during the assembly session, and they will consider Congress party. But the point is that that is a fact, Pratibha, that there would be a long weekend coming in the middle of the elections, and people might go out stations for this long weekend holiday. And in fact, that obviously that will impact on the voting percentage. And INLD and BJP is on the one side, other side the JJP and in fact Congress parties, they all are attacking the BJP party that they are now already surrendered this elections, and that is the reason they wanting to delay this.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business, towards an independence where knowledge sets us free, to think big and achieve bigger. towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.